Sako ya ubora,
eko sako yetu.
Sako yetu mwalimu,
eko sako yetu.
We empower our people in many ways. We empower people in projects. We empower people.
We empower financially.
Oh, you go down.
Ushirika wetu unanawiri. Kikundi chetu cha ushirika kiwa imara, mfumo suluhisho endelevu kwa dunia bora ya matumaini.
Tukiungana hakuna lisilowezekana.
Sina moyo safi, twahifadhi, twakopesha wote, tunawezesha kuliko ndoto ya kurahisishwa, utahudumiwa bila ubaguzi.
Karibu nyote, Sako yetu. Ushirika ni mwanga, karibu nyote. Sako ya ubora,
eko sako yetu.
Sako yetu mwalimu,
eko sako yetu.
We empower our people in many ways. We empower people in projects. We empower people.
We empower financially.
For taking number 1. Then for they have achieved. Thank you. Kenya next year, the same we have done it today. Otherwise, I want to thank you and may God bless you as you travel back to your homes. Asante, Bwana Commission.
We now turn call upon Karen
Cyrus Masenge Unyabichande, Tenete a department ye biashara Kisii County. Retwale ngomo yega. Wogo chengera lituko lya ushirika esensengima. Na intuga Kisii twali chengere so bwagare. Kya aba member bonds be cooperative ba kiramo koligere nara liba kolire wetere cooperatives. Nande kulingana na serikali ya ito ye government ye kora odumo governor o ito Paul Simbarati ko ya join cooperative members ko serikali itukeli nande mumaete government ya bekire chinguru SH cooperatives elinde tunyare ko batoko beka abantu baitamo banyare gwekonya nebimeri biri kolema ese gusi muna chikawa peretram ti avocado na matok egine value chain to jiko korabu ya ese Kisii serira bali eto lya Kisii igo abaminto esimontegerete onde bwenzi otara joine cooperative raso ese cooperative eneri tuko obwenda kurigereri kero monto joine cooperative na serikali abekire chinguru cha ese cooperative kyare na renjira to kujikosuka kujimoto na ndende ko imbisha abantu abake youth to join cooperatives kyagera boniga cooperatives yaja ku embrace into kula technology igo nabeko bwato onde bwenzi no embali abana ba minto bale isiko yense yabacho inji cooperative jeito chinyare okina abande bonse musi erigereriwe nechinze chionsi mune county ya improve cooperative to another level. Mbuya mama.
Thank you. Maybe to reinforce what Waziri has said, County of Kisii. So today we have come, led by Waziri, to do housekeeping and celebrate the International Day of Cooperatives. To look at where are we as the cooperative movement of Kisii and what have we been able to do for the last 1 year. Celebrate those cooperatives that have done well and look forward. Plan on how we are going to look forward as a government to ensure that the movement of cooperative in Kisii is thriving as we have done for the last maybe 20 years. So we don't have much to say, but to say that as a movement, we are happy that we have done well for the last 1 year. And today, as a government, we are now looking forward to doing better than we have done for the last 1 year. So thank you very much, members of the state.
A few challenges that are facing the cooperative movement.
Issues of membership. We have had issues of dormancy. We have had issues of, as it has been highlighted, issues to do with digital moving to support our movements. Thank you.
Pekine kino.